How to not let a phone contact find you on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, you gotta make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you see update sign here, update your app. Once done, tap on open. Make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now to disable the contact option on your Snapchat, tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. Under here, tap on settings icon on your top right. Scroll below. Under account actions, you will see contact syncing just below permissions. Tap open it and make sure that you have untoggled this option. Now it says that disabling the contact sync may make it harder to find new friends on Snapchat. And when you stop syncing, you will also remove previously synced contacts from the server. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on confirm. And
As
just
you do
like
so,
so,
all
this
the
is
new
how you can
friends
do
won't
it.
be able.
So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.